you're doing crunches right, most people are actually training their neck more than their abs, and they don't even realize it. If your crunches haven't been giving you results, this is probably why. Host demonstrates the wrong form. Here's the biggest mistake: yanking the head forward and rounding the back. It feels like work, but it's just momentum. So, what does a real effective crunch actually look like? I'll show you. But first, let's fix the foundation. Host lies down to demo properly. Start simple: feet flat, core braced like you're preparing for a punch. Hands lightly behind your head, not pulling. Now the key. Imagine rolling your ribcage toward your hips, not folding your body. Think of your spine curling like a slow wave. Small movement, big tension. Keep your lower back glued to the floor. If it pops up, you've lost the core. Want to level up? Add a 1 second pause at the top. That tiny hold forces your abs to fire instead of letting momentum cheat for you. Crunches aren't about speed, they're about control. Nail this technique and every rep hits harder. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and your core will thank you.